Let me take off my mask. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am at the market. Actually, I just showed up at the market this morning. This is like 9 a.m. and somehow I remembered that I have a YouTube channel. So you guys, if you're not subscribed already, look at the stress I'm going through. So make sure you subscribe to this channel. Make sure you turn up your post notification. Make sure you watch the ads. You know, that's how we get our money. Okay, so I think the guy that is supposed to help me out is here. This is my guy. Always have to call him whenever I'm here because easy access. How about you, Nakwana? So yeah, he literally interrupted me, but yeah, that's it. So he's very helpful. Like whenever I get into the market, I call him, or before I get into the market, I call him. Or if I need anything, I just call him to ask him where exactly I need to do that. So we do market runs with him, and I'm going to be going there with him. He's going to be showing you guys around the market, how I am going to shop, how I'm going to bargain. I don't know if I'm a good one at that, but guys, I think I do a good deal. First thing I always have to do is to carry my mask along. Guys, always mask up. I swear COVID is real. I don't even want anybody to tell me it's not real, because it's real. As usual, I'm with my ABZ Luxe bag. This is the new collection, and always have it around with me. Always. Let's go.
I begin to. I can buy a first finger.
It's so special. Boy, it feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never.
Uku dari biyar? Bani guda uku mama.
Yeah, I'm not for sure. Yeah. You're mine for sure. Yeah. Ooh. You're mine for sure.
Ni na kasa gane local din suna fa. Na sani, if you get it, do you wash it?
To wash it. Do I want to wash it?
I'm saying, do I have to wash it?
If you like, they are preserving it with salt so that it will not spoil.
Wait, ina da jan nan. Shi ne na ce nawa suke sayar. Bari.
I begin to.
Wala na ni kwallon.
1.5.
Har ya kai 1.5.
Sabon foto.
Rabi za ka bani.
A jaga kubewa.
Da wani ya koyi
Na?
ka dubu da wancan ka dubu da
Duk ya mun ya ba ni rabi kai. Daga nan nake gani.
rabin wani
Na albasa.
wasa wani sanwa
Kuma ka bani rabi. Na za ka ba mu? Ina jin ka. Ma kai na ne wannan kubewan ka?
200 roba uku 500.
I begin to.
Ginger, then I put spring onions. I really like spring onions, guys.
It's so special. All I feels when I'm with you. You got me doing things I never thought I'd do. Just so you know, ain't never let you go. You're mine, oh, just so you know. You're mine.
Yeah, so I think I'm trying to. Oh, this cute bag.
Giving us neon wing liner.
Look at my boo. But like, I was so tired, I could not even do my brows.
So nice.
Guys, this is the dress that I like. I saw it on my list, so I just want to see. I just want to see how it fits. If it fits perfect, I'll just book it. If it doesn't fit, I think she'll be able to make the adjustments. I'm really scared about my hips because your girl has hips. So I am just going to try it now. Guys, anything that can't pass my hips can't really move up. So I tried it, it did not move. And guess what, I didn't even book the dress afterwards because I was so confused. I didn't know what to get. There were a lot of pieces. I just said I was going to go back and get it. Then it happened.
Subscribe to my YouTube channel, guys. My name is Lino.
I begin to. I begin to.
decided half of the world is in our hands.
Like literally.
That's the market.
You have the market.
I don't.
You don't have cross. Who has the cross, please? Because I don't have cross, but
I have plenty.
let's go.
What are we doing?
No. You have chicken.
What? Who's playing again?
What? Knock knock. Okay, hold on, ba.
My expression, right?
Make her expression.
But it's I want to pick 10 name.
Just share now.
Share it.
Pick yes, give her 5 right. No, no, no. Yes, thank you. Yes. Morning.
Between these guys.